Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video we are going to learn ISRO is providing the free AI ML Python certification course and you have to go through the step by step process for the registration and guidelines. So we'll go through that. So ISRO IIRS has announced the course ID 188 AI ML for the Geodata Analysis scheduled from the 3rd of August to 14th of August 2026. This is the online course certification course. It's conducted by Indian Institute of Remote Sensing IIRS. So ISRO through its e-learning platform, participant will be learned how artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, ML, Python and Geospatial Technologies are used for the advanced geodata analysis and remote sensing applications. So course duration is from 3rd of August 2026 to 14th of August 2026 and course ID is 188 and organization is the ISRO Indian Institute of Remote Sensing IIRS and mode of this certification is online and course fee is free. So registration URL is this one and participant guidelines you can go through this PDF file. I'll show you. In this video we are going to learn complete registration process, eligibility criteria, important dates, course benefit, AI ML for geodata analysis overview, certificate detail, ISRO IIRS free certification. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe for the more free government certification courses. So we'll go through this. So when we'll open the URL will looks like this. So this is the registration page. First you have to go through the registration page. You have to provide your full name as per the class 10th certificate, email address, confirm email address and password and retype password and there is a captcha code. To display code you have to provide, you have to register. After register you will get a activate account. After login, so you will get after login you will get this page. So here dear participant, now you can apply the multiple online courses in IIRS. So restriction maximum courses are 4 in a year is removed. So course detail is this one and you have to select the course. So just like I'm selecting the AIML, you are going for the individual registration, so you can check this one. You have to provide the basic information and UG PG and this one not applicable and just I'm going through the next process. So this is the personal detail. You have to provide your details. So Mr. and your name, your date of birth name, father name and just gender, nationality, mobile number, city, country, and zip code. Similarly, you have to provide the educational detail, professional documentation, and go through the preview. When you will submit this one, I'm going through the guideline first. So step 1 will go through the registration, provide your detail, and step 2 and activate your account clicking the given link on email. So after doing this, there is a e-class. So e-class online class will be with this link. So this is the link. You have to go through this one, and other details are there. Student is forget password is there. If you forget password, step 5. If you want go through the where I got this detail. So here you can find this course ID is 188 and AIML for the geodata analysis and voucher is there. You can go through the voucher also and schedule from the August 3 to 14. So we have opened this link only. This was the link and we have opened this. Step 6 course delivery. So procedure to attending the recording. You have to go through this and you have to attend the class. Status for course-wise attendance will be available under the e-class login with the eligibility for examination. So after that you have to go through the exam. Online exam will be conducted with this one e-learning iirs.gov.in and MCU question and certificate issue of certificate. So this is the very important for you. So after 2 to 3 weeks online exam, the certificate will be available through the coordinator and network institute if applicable, and certificate will also available under the e-class login to each participant. So for the technical support, you can contact with them. You don't need to contact with me. And the course delivery, you can send mail to them regarding the your requirement. Okay. So go through the step by step process. I have provided all the details on YouTube description, video description. So go through that. So we have completed the step by step process to ISRO free AI/ML Python certification course. And disclaimer is there, this video is created for the educational and informational purpose only under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. All trademarks and logos belongs to their respective owners. No copyright violation intended. For copyright concern, you can send me mail on chiragmahto@gmail.com. Follow me on YouTube, LinkedIn, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Do you have any question? Then drop them into the comment box. Like, share and comment and subscribe to Chirag Mahto Official. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.